Hello there! On this video, you'll learn how to add YouTube chapters or video chapters to your videos. It's super simple and you will learn it in a few easy steps. Why would you want to do that? Well, first, it's good for SEO. There's case studies that show that if you mark and chapter your video out within timestamps, this can get you better results, especially with the new schema features that we have on Google. And if you don't know what they are, just do as they say and you'll be fine. But also do your own due diligence and don't sue me, bro. Okay, all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome, and second, my 0 to 10k followers on Instagram free guide that you can grab in the description down below. Yes, right there. Grab it. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Now, let's go to my computer, because this is an OBS tutorial. Okay, so first of all, how does a video that already has the chapters function look? If we actually go on this video right here, I just added captions to it and actually it went by instant, right? If you just click on this video, Catch Your Stalkers, it has 45k views. It has these timestamps in the description down below, right? It has a few timestamps. What happens is, and what video chapters are these things right here. Who stole my Instagram? Yeah, I'm both here, don't worry about it. I have a chapter here, can you see that? I have a chapter here, I have a chapter here. So for example, if someone googles the term "who stalks my Instagram," my video can pop up, right? You can see my video on top, right? And this is because I actually applied these steps on it. So how can you actually add it to another video that you have? So you gotta do is type this within the video 00, starting from 00, that's very important. Start from 00, type whatever the video starts with, then on 8 whatever seconds you have something else, like a pitch, like shout outros, like this video and subscribe. Then you have some statistics or whatever, some intro, and then you have the actual fix, or the fix step by step, or each side of the fix if it's a longer video that you can write in the timestamps. And this is how it works. It's pretty simple now. If you have any question whatsoever, just comment in the comment section down below. I reply to every single comment and I can help you out. And you know what? Since you stick so far within the video, actually comment your YouTube username or Instagram account in the comments down below and say what your YouTube channel is about or Instagram account is about, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. And the shout out winners on this episode are actually... here they are. Remember that video day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. Do your own due diligence, and by the end of this video, these two videos.